already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Welcome back. Well, today we're going to be making empanadas 2 ways. I'm going to show you how to fry them up and bake them. I'm going to start by adding some vegan butter to a hot pan. I'm just going to melt this, then I'll add some mushroom and some garlic. I'll saute this for about 5 minutes. Then I'll add some seasoning, basil, thyme, a little bit of salt, and crushed red pepper. Now I'm going to add in some spinach. I'm just going to pile it up and let it wilt. Then I'll mix it in with the rest of the seasoning. Then add in some vegan cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna just let this mixture cool. All you need is a floured surface because I'm using a pre-made empanada dough. It was frozen and they're kind of sticky. I'm taking out one of the empanada dough discs and I'll put in about a tablespoon of the spinach mixture, and then we'll close them up using a fork. So I'm going to press firmly around the dough to close the opening.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
So for the baked version, we're going to place them on a baking sheet and cover them with some melted butter. Then we'll bake them in the oven on 375 for 15 minutes until they're brown. Okay, for the fried version of these, we're going to cook them in some peanut oil. Deep fry them for 4 to 5 minutes until they're brown. Remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.